Hey everyone, this your girl Pauline from My Crafting Hut, out again, selling these baskets. As you see, I had a white tent before, and now I have a blue tent because the white one got destroyed. But so far, I've sold about 6 baskets so far this morning, so I'm thankful for that. And let's see how the rest of the day go. I came out yesterday for just a few minutes, um, and then it started raining, so I had to pack up. And then as soon as I got everything packed, uh, went and did a couple errands, then it stopped raining, and I decided not to come back out because I'm using someone else's property, even though she's really well known to me, family member. I still, decided to just go ahead and give it a rest for yesterday, and go ahead and try again this morning. So yeah, so far my sales have been, I've sold about, I sold 6 baskets, sold 2 $35 baskets. I sold 138, 2 22s, and there was another one I sold. Dang. Anyways, I have that one written down. But anyways, I sold another one. Sold 6 this morning. Yesterday, I was out here for like an hour maybe yesterday. I did sell one for one of my $75 baskets, and a $30 basket yesterday. So the day yesterday was not totally wasted. But yeah, so I'm out here. So everyone, all the best to y'all with your sales. Let's go ahead and get this done. So, some of the ladies, we recognize you for recognizing your male, the man in your life. So go ahead, do your thing, ladies. They did it for us. All right. You all have a blessed Saturday. See ya.